Oh, almost. What's good, everybody? Today we're going to be showing you this awesome outdoor and indoor portable axe throwing kit. Comes with 8 axes, target, and a platform. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? So if you're looking for some summer fun anywhere, then you may want to look at this. This is a plastic bristle axe throwing kit. The target is also great for bow and arrows that you can get that will also stick into this. It comes with its own actual stand and 8 safety foam plastic axes that you can throw at the target. Now we're going to be using our left hand. I have not used my left hand, but let's see. There we go. So obviously the aim is to get it in the target. There we go. Now on the back you can see it's got this hook here, one there and one there, and the way you attach this is you just simply hang it on like that. And then this hooks on here. This hooks on here. And now you can take this pretty much anywhere you want, right? So it will fit in your car, take it anywhere you go. Now the reason I got this particular one is because it's all made of plastic, which means I can leave this outside. It's 15-20 feet away. So sometimes they won't stick, and sometimes they will. There you go. Awesome little game. I don't know if you've ever been axe throwing for real, but definitely cool. So I'm really excited to have this in my backyard for people to play with and kids. So this is for 3+. So we are about, what, 25 feet away here? Let's see here. Oh, almost. I'm gonna unclip it. We're gonna hang this, and this weighs about 8 pounds, maybe 10 pounds. And then we've got these magnets here. Now these are really strong magnets, but I just wanted to have it even, so that's why I left it this way. All right, so let's go and hook it on this back piece here. There we go. And there we go. And the cool thing is, if you want to raise it higher, we can just move the magnets. That's the video. Thanks for watching.